What's up, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I'm going to replace the steering wheel in my Hyundai Kona. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove this little trim panel right up on top and then rotate the steering wheel so I have access to those pins. There's a video on how to remove this, but I'm going to show you the process and then the real fun gets going.
Now. Woo! Everybody's out. Alright, let's wait. Hold on. 21mm socket. We're gonna reverse that bad boy right. Voila. And wiggle it on out. There we go. Free.
All right, here's my steering wheel, and I need to take it all apart, so that's gonna make an excellent time lapse. All right, here we are with the OEM steering wheel core that I mailed in. And here is the new steering wheel that I got in from the manufacturer, which is pretty rad. So we're gonna put all these other parts onto it now. All done. Alrighty, let's get this in. And that's gonna go quick right there. Alrighty, I'll take you and stick you in there. You, stick you in there. And you, get you in there. It's beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Woo! And we're done. Oh, not quite. Now we're done. And that's it, baby. The steering wheel is in. As you can see, it is a completely custom one-off design that was made for me. I requested a piano black top here with the green stripe and non-perforated leather all along all of there, and the matching green stitching work, which is absolutely beautiful. So here's the finished product, and I'm very pleased. This was the final design element of modifications that I wanted to do for the front end of the vehicle, and now that that's complete, hopefully I'll be able to move on to the back area and finish out the audio system. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I hope you have yourselves a wonderful day. I am a happy camper.